Want a better life? Get strong and feel amazing. It's not just about big muscles. Strength helps with everything. Carrying groceries? Easy and simple. Playing with your kids? No problem at all. Being strong also keeps you healthy. You'll have more energy. Your bones get tougher. You'll even feel happier. Strength is like a superpower for your body. So, are you ready to unlock your potential? Let's dive in and learn how to build serious strength. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Muscles are amazing. They help you move, lift, and even just stand up straight. But here's the cool part. When you challenge your muscles, they get stronger. Think of it like this. You lift something heavy. Your muscles work hard, and they get a little bit damaged. But don't worry, that's a good thing. Your body repairs those tiny tears and makes your muscles even tougher. This process is called muscle growth, and it's the key to getting stronger. The more you challenge your muscles, the stronger they become. It's like leveling up in a video game, but in real life. You don't need a fancy gym to get strong. Some of the best exercises are bodyweight exercises. You can do them anywhere, anytime. Push-ups are a classic. They work your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start with your knees on the ground if you need to. Another great one is the squat. It's like sitting down and standing up, but it works your legs and glutes like crazy. Don't forget about core strength. Planks are awesome for your abs and back. Just hold your body straight like a plank of wood. Start with short holds and gradually increase the time. Section 4, Squats, the king of exercises. Squats are often referred to as the king of exercises, and for good reason. This fundamental movement is a staple in many fitness routines, from beginners to advanced athletes. The squat is called the king for a reason. It's a powerhouse move that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it incredibly efficient and effective. It's a compound exercise, meaning it works multiple muscle groups at the same time. When you perform a squat, you're not just working your legs, you're also engaging your glutes, core, and even your back muscles. When you squat, you're using your legs, glutes, core, and even your back. This makes it a full-body workout that can help improve your overall strength and stability. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. This stance provides a solid foundation and helps maintain balance throughout the movement. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury and maximize the benefits of the exercise. Lower yourself down as if you're sitting back into a chair. Imagine there's a chair behind you that you're trying to sit on. This helps ensure you're using the right muscles and maintaining proper form. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form. Depth is important, but only go as low as your flexibility and strength allow, without compromising your form. Then, drive through your heels to stand back up. Pushing through your heels helps activate your glutes and hamstrings, providing more power and stability. Start with just your body weight. This allows you to master the form and build a solid foundation before adding any additional resistance. As you get stronger, you can add weight by holding dumbbells or a barbell across your upper back. Gradually increasing the weight will help you continue to build strength and muscle mass. Squats are a powerful exercise for building overall strength and muscle mass. They not only enhance your physical performance but also contribute to better posture, improved mobility, and increased calorie burn. Whether you're aiming for muscle growth, fat loss, or overall fitness, incorporating squats into your routine is a must. Section 5. Deadlifts, power up your life. Deadlifts are one of the most powerful exercises you can incorporate into your fitness routine. They not only build muscle but also enhance your overall strength and stability. The deadlift is another fantastic compound exercise that works your entire posterior chain, including your back, glutes, and hamstrings. This exercise is essential for anyone looking to improve their functional strength and athletic performance. It's a functional movement that mimics picking something heavy off the ground. This makes it incredibly useful for everyday activities, from lifting groceries to moving furniture. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, with a barbell or dumbbells in front of you. This stance provides a stable base and ensures you can lift the weight safely and effectively. Bend down and grab the weight with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. This grip helps you maintain control and balance throughout the lift. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Engaging your core is crucial to protect your spine and prevent injuries. Lift the weight off the ground by extending your legs and hips simultaneously. This coordinated movement ensures that you use your entire body to lift the weight, maximizing efficiency and power. Lower the weight back to the ground with control. Controlling the descent is just as important as the lift itself, as it helps build muscle and prevent injury. Start with light weight and focus on proper form. Proper form is key to reaping the benefits of deadlifts and avoiding strain or injury. Deadlifts can be intimidating, but they're incredibly effective for building strength and power. With practice and proper technique, you'll find that deadlifts become a cornerstone of your fitness routine, helping you power up your life in more ways than one. Section 6. Fuel your strength journey. You can't build a strong house without the right materials. The same goes for your body. Nutrition is crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Make sure you're eating enough protein. It's the building block of muscles. Good sources include chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. Carbs are important too. They give you energy for your workouts. Choose complex carbs like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. Don't forget about healthy fats. They're essential for hormone production and overall health. Include foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil in your diet. Section 7. Listen to your body. Rest up. When you're working hard to build strength, it's important to listen to your body. Your body is constantly sending you signals, and it's crucial to pay attention to them. Ignoring these signals can lead to overtraining, injuries, and burnout, and give it the rest it needs. Rest days are not lazy days, they are an essential part of any fitness regimen. Taking time to rest allows your muscles to repair and grow stronger. It's during these periods of rest that your body rebuilds itself, making you more resilient and prepared for future workouts. They're crucial for muscle recovery and growth. On your rest days, focus on active recovery. Active recovery means engaging in low-intensity activities that promote blood circulation and help reduce muscle stiffness. This can include activities like light stretching, yoga, or even a leisurely walk. Go for a walk, do some light stretching, or try yoga. These activities not only help in muscle recovery but also improve flexibility and mental well-being. Incorporating these gentle movements into your rest days can make a significant difference in how you feel and perform. This will help improve blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and enhance your overall recovery process. Additionally, consider incorporating techniques like foam rolling or gentle massages to further aid in muscle relaxation and recovery, and prepare you for your next workout. Getting enough sleep is also essential for muscle recovery. Sleep is when your body does most of its repair work. During deep sleep, growth hormone is released, which is vital for muscle growth and repair. Getting enough sleep is also essential for muscle recovery and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Quality sleep means uninterrupted, deep sleep that allows your body to go through all the necessary stages of the sleep cycle. Creating a bedtime routine can help improve your sleep quality every night. Remember, consistency is key. Make strength training a habit, but also make rest and recovery a regular part of your routine. Balancing intense workouts with adequate rest ensures that you can continue to train effectively without risking injury or burnout. Fuel your body right and prioritize rest. Nutrition plays a crucial role in recovery. Eating a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates provides the necessary nutrients for muscle repair and energy replenishment. You'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. By listening to your body, giving it the rest it needs, and fueling it properly, you set yourself up for success. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the journey towards a stronger, healthier you.